Good morning, good morning. Today is very exciting because I'm going to go on 200k ride. I'm just so excited to be out and being able to do a long ride again. So yeah, that is the plan today. It's pretty chilly. It's like 3 degrees. That's why my eyes are watering. But yeah, I'm just going to be bringing you with me in the day. The sun is out. I just feel so good. So yeah. Slight problem. The road's closed. Why would I ever choose? I would never choose this way, but obviously I've not checked the route. Always check your route. I have not checked my route. Just in a little reroute, a little repair. And did I mention it's a hilly one? Of course it's going to be a hilly one. Look at this climb though. Look at that. Just walk through, do you think?
We have been letting people through, yeah.
This is the third closed route. That is the 4th row closure. So about 110k in, I reckon. And yeah, that's about 90k so to go. So I've stopped for my little snack. But I think because we've not been able to get out and do these longer rides, I'm just having the best day. I think you don't realise like how much you love this stuff until you're told that you can't do it, and then when you're able to again, I just love being out in the middle of nowhere, sat in a field next to a load of sheep. I just love it. Right, the rice thing, I don't know if you saw my video of like stuff I eat on the bike. They've got a little bit modged up, so I'm just gonna have to eat it just like from the bag. So yeah, that's what I'm up to now. Just love my bike and I love the countryside, and this weather is so good. It's still a bit chilly, but it's just so nice. I couldn't have asked for a nicer day. I could be in short sleeves and shorts, but you know, this is pretty nice. So I guess I'll catch up with you in a little bit. I just realised I didn't even tell you where I am. I've probably got like berries and stuff in my teeth, so sorry. So I've basically ridden up from Manchester up to Settle, and then I'm just basically doing a big loop back round. I'll leave a link to my Strava so you can have a look at it. This route is so good, right? Every which way you look, there's just mountains and like climbs and just really pretty countryside. It is like, look at that. Oh my god, I love it. There is so much climb. I knew it was going to be hilly today, but I've done about 3,000 metres and I've still got 60k to go. And they're such short, steep climbs as well. I'm going up another one in a minute. I was like, I need to have a sit down. But it's warmed up and the weather is so nice. Give me climbs at any day of the week over flat though, 100%. It's just I can't remember the last time I've climbed that in a day before. Obviously I did it loads last year, but this year I don't think I've done it this year. I think the most I did was like 2 and a bit when I was doing the hill repeats. But it's so beautiful. Just love being out. I think what I like best about it is just sitting at the side. Like, it sounds daft, but just like stopping and sitting on the side of the road and just. Also, do you know another thing that I really love? These walls. It sounds weird. I just love how they're put together with like no cement. I just think they're just so clever. I've said this before, but I think it makes me sound a bit weird, but I do love them. Like when I see them, I think, oh, that's a nice wall. Oh, they've put that one together nice. I just think they're really really beautiful. I like them. It's just proper country, innit? Proper countryside. Oh, right, I'm gonna get myself up that hill. But I'm heading up to, I'm almost, I think about 5 miles or so to Burnley. So it's not too far then back to Manchester. I don't want the day to end though. I'm kind of just like stopping because I want to make it last. Because I just love being out. One of my favourite things ever is when you get up really early to go on a ride and you get back really late. I just think that is the best feeling. I just love it. It's like a proper little adventure, a bit of a day out. Right, see you in a bit. I've just got back. My GoPro battery died. That's why I'm filming the ending at home. That ride was phenomenal. I just feel so good, and I'm going to leave a link to my Strava, so if you want to steal any of it, feel free, because it is an epic route. I actually got it from the Audax UK website, so they're always top routes, so very good. Although it was a lot hillier than I expected. It said it was going to be around 3,000 and it ended up being 3,800. So it was hilly. I think if it had said it was 3,800 at the start, I wouldn't have picked it. But because I've not done that amount of climbing for a long time, so it just goes to show you, doesn't it, that you don't know what's in your legs. So they actually feel all right. The only thing that feels sore, and I always get this with Audax or like long rides, is my nose. I don't know what it is. It just feels so, it's a little tender nose. I think because it just like runs and then I wipe it on my buff, which is very classy. But then it just gets sore. So if anyone's got any recommendations of good creams that would stop that happening, then I would be very much grateful. I actually thinking about the ride today, that might actually be the hilliest 200k that I've done. I'll keep you posted if it is or it isn't. Might be, but yeah, I reckon that is pretty much it. One tip I'm going to give you: if you're doing a lot of intense stuff on Zwift or you're doing long rides, like I've done, because I'm going to go and do some yoga in a minute, and it is just phenomenal. I just for long stuff and like the intense stuff, I've just got to do it because my hips get really like tight. And so I'm just going to go and do some stretches. So all you want to do, even if it's just a couple of stretches, just do it for me. Do it for me. It's I basically do ones basically for hips, glutes and hamstrings. So then I'll feel a lot fresher tomorrow. Also apologies if I had food on my face earlier. I got back and I realised I had dates all like around my mouth. And I'm like, that is the Audax long distance look, but you're probably used to it by now from me. But anyway, sorry if there was food all on my face. In fact, is there anything on me now? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there for today. So, hope you've enjoyed. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next video. I am going to get food. I am hungry. I didn't take enough food with me at all. I can't wait for some food. Okay, bye.